Maybe you are paying a lot of money each month for subscriptions to VO3 from Google or Sora 2 from OpenAI, or maybe you would pay for Sora 2, for example, but you can't because you are on one of the countries over the world where you can't use Sora 2 at the moment. There is a solution, it's called Yapper, and Yapper, as you can see here, make viral AI content. Here you can use Sora 2 and VO3 all over the world. You don't have restrictions on your country, and now they have a lifetime deal here on AppSumo. As you can see, it's pretty new, this lifetime deal. They still don't have any review because they came to AppSumo just a few hours ago and they are AppSumo Select. I think this can be one of the best deals for 2025 if you want to generate viral videos with Sora 2 and VO3, but you also have some other options here. Very quickly, these are the plans. Tier 1, $49, but you have many restrictions here. You can't use Sora 2, you can't use VO3, so this is not the best plan. You may choose this tier 2, but please note here you don't have the commercial license, so you can't use these videos for commercial use here. You need to choose at least tier 3. This is mapped to the creator plan on the official website for Yapper, and you also have this tier 4. It's the same as the tier 3, but you have double the credits, more than double the credits, and this is important. Let's take a look very quickly at the pricing page here. This is the official pricing page. Some people are already paying for $49 and $99 per month to have 7,000 credits. This is the creator plan, it's mapped here. This plan it's only for AppSumo, you can't find it here, and it's pretty good because you have many credits. Credits, as you can see here, with 7,000 credits you can generate this number of videos: 72 Sora 2 videos, 97 VO3 fast videos, 32 VO3 quality videos, 43 deepfake 20-second videos, 58 avatar, and 700 images. If you want, you can click on the link in the description, you can take a look at this page and see by yourself all the differences between these plans. Very quickly, let me go here on the From Founders section. On AppSumo there is an FAQ section. They are saying they already have 1900 customers with subscriptions with a revenue of 50,000 per month, I suppose. And again, you can take a look here. But I want to show you the platform. This is how the platform is inside. You have the creation section where you can create images by choosing between these models, Imagen 4, Flux Max, and Nano Banana. You can choose different settings or you can generate video. You have your asset section, the tools section, where you can not only create videos and images but also enhance. You have a pro image editing, pro image combining, image upscaling, and so on. But let's take a look at some examples of these videos. I suppose you are curious, but obviously the quality here is the Sora 2 quality or the VO3 quality. They are just an all-in-one tool where you can use different AI models and you can generate a different kind of videos. So this is an example of a video generation.
Guys, I think I'm a little lost, but it's okay. I know the baddies are close. Woo! Woo!
And as you can see, it's the typical VO3 video. Here's another one. And let's find a Sora 2 video.
No, ale ciężko. Jeszcze tylko kawałek. Kurde, ten stopień. Cholera jasna, do diabła z tymi schodami!
Okay, so as you can see, you have the same quality you can have in official sites for Sora 2 or VO3, but again, here you can do many things. You can also do lip sync deepfake. If I click here, you have some already made templates for deepfake with Donald Trump, for instance, with Elon Musk, and so on. And you can click on one of these, you can choose the text and make Donald Trump saying whatever you want. But you can also create your deepfake, you can upload your image or video and do pretty much the same thing. You can also generate audio with some voices. I see they are pretty much all in English at the moment, and you also have a timeline editor if you want to do some basic editing here inside. These are some examples of images you can generate with Yapper. You can use different AI models, Nano Banana included, so I suppose you already know the quality of these images. You have an interesting image editor, so you can edit and combine images, like in this example, or you can use it to include your product into other images, like you see here. You have a prompt extractor, so you can paste here a TikTok link or an Instagram link, a real link, if you think it's made with AI, and you will be able to see the prompt used or something similar to generate the same kind of video. You have a lot of examples here. These are AI videos, these are lip sync videos.
Nothing is better than giving the gift of laughter. That's why I use Yapper to send my friends hilarious videos looking back on our best moments together. Just make sure to use responsibly and add proper disclaimers for any content that could be misleading.
And you can also generate UGC videos like these ones. And that's it. The advantage here is obviously you have all in one place, all in one platform, without paying a lot of money for Veo 3 and Sora 2, or you maybe again can't use Sora 2 at the moment. In Italy, for example, we can't use it at the moment, so Yapper could be a good solution, especially because you have the lifetime deal, so you pay once and use it forever. And as always, here on AppSumo you have a 60 days money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can have your money back. So again, these are the plans you can find here on AppSumo. In my opinion, you should choose at least tier 3, because you have pretty much everything with 7,000 credits, or even better, the tier 4, 15,000 credits. I'm pretty curious to see the first reviews in the next few days here on this deal on AppSumo, but I suppose this could be one of the best, if not the best deal for 2025. Link is in the description if you want to purchase it here on AppSumo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much. I'll see you soon in the next one.